Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Numerator.
What does the dictionary say?
The term of a fraction, usually above the line, indicating the number of equal parts to be added together. The dividend placed over a divisor.
Math rap.
Numerator sees a lot of math action as the top number on a fraction. It shows just how many parts we have, like in 2/4, where 2 makes it half.
Math rap.
My sister lives life on the edge. She went into a forest filled with hungry numers. Do you know what happened? A numerator. Explain numerator in your own words. Imagine a superhero called the Numerator that shoots powerful numbers from her fingertips. How could she save the day? Create a short adventure story for the Numerator. Circle the numerator in these 5 fractions: 3/5, 2/35, 1/5, 22/10, 46/17. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!